My name is Martha Sodimo. Unit 7 assignment. I will be doing a presentation on human nutrition and digestive system. Introduction. The structure and function of the digestive system, the process of mechanical and chemical digestion and optimal condition for the enzymes, the constituent food group of a balanced diet, and example of the source. The structure and function of the digestive system. Digestive system has basically two functions, which are digestion and absorption. Digestion is the process of breaking down food into smaller molecules, and absorption is the process of food absorbing or getting into a body. The digestive system has basically two major parts: the alimentary canal, the accessory organ. The alimentary canal is a continuous tube in which food travels through the body and waste products are expelled, with two opening mouth and anus. Mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. The accessory organs, these are not part of the digestive tract, but they have a role in digestive activities and are considered accessory organs. The teeth, tongue, salivary glands, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. The mouth is an open, oval-shaped cavity inside the skull. The two main functions of the mouth are eating and speaking. Parts of the mouth include teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. Teeth, these are for chewing food and does the mechanical breakdown. The incisors teeth bite the food, while the now tear food into pieces. Tongue, this makes food with saliva and chewing mastigation take place. The tongue then rolls the food into a bolus and passes it on down to the esophagus with the action of swallowing. Salivary glands, there are three pairs of salivary glands in the mouth that secrete saliva, water, mineral, salt, and enzymes called pectin, which helps with the start of starchy food digestion. Saliva is controlled by autonomic system and stimulated by the sight and smell of food and hunger. Saliva keeps the mouth moist and softens food. It is slightly alkaline. Pharynx. This receives the bolus of food from the mouth, making the process involuntary as the muscular walls of the pharynx constrict and pushes food over the esophagus. The esophagus, this is a cover of elastic fibrous tissue which is about 25 centimeters long and extends from the pharynx through the diaphragm into the stomach. Solid food are pushed down by peristalsis, while liquid or semi-liquid food slide down assisted by gravity. Liver, this is responsible for producing bile, and it is located on the right side of abdomen, just below the diaphragm. Bile comprises of water, bile salt, cholesterol, and pigment bilirubin. It is a yellowish green fluid and leaves the liver through the bile ducts and transports to the gallbladder, where it is stored. Gallbladder, this is a pear-shaped sac attached to the liver. It is used to store bile, which is responsible for the digestion of fats. Stomach. The stomach is a hollow muscular organ lying inferiorly to the diaphragm in the upper left quadrant. The muscular coat of the stomach churns the food up in the stomach, mixing it with the gastric juice in order to digest the food. Small intestine, this is about 6 to 7 meters long and it has three parts: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. This is where much of the digestion and absorption takes place. The chyme becomes alkaline in the duodenum and moved by peristalsis, mixed with pancreatic juice and intestinal juice until digestion is complete. Large intestine. This is approximately 1.5 meters in length, but substantially thicker than the small intestine. Basically, the role of the large intestine is to absorb vitamins, convert food into feces, and remove water from the feces. Chemicals from the small intestine enter the large intestine at the cecum, where it is mixed with good bacteria. The ascending travel, ascending arm, sigmoid. Rectum. This is the temporal storage site for physics. It's near the end of the digestive system. Anal canal. This is the open which physics are removed. It is the final part of the digestive system. The process of mechanical and chemical digestion and optimum condition for enzymes. Chemical digestion. This digestion process begins in the mouth. Food digested into the mouth is physically breaking down into smaller digestible pieces through chewing, mastication using the teeth. Chemical digestion. This process also begins in the mouth. The brain triggers saliva that mixes with food as chewing is taking place. The saliva contains the enzyme amylase that begins the breakdown of carbohydrates. An enzyme is a protein that can catalyze certain biochemical reaction. Wheeling Jessinate University, 1999 to 2000, enzymes speed up reaction with the body cells so that physiological change that supports life can take place. Optimum condition for enzymes. The role enzymes play depends on the reaction to take place. Enzymes help to break down food molecules into smaller units, making absorption easy. Enzymes work in an environment that is not too hot or cold. Example of two enzymes to consider: gastric lipase, pepsin. Gastric lipase works in the acidic environment of the stomach as it is secreted from gastric glands, targeting molecules of fat, lipid, and its pH range is 3.0 to 6.0. This environment is neither too hot nor too cold. Pepsin also works well in acidic environment since it is secreted from gastric glands and targeting large protein molecules and pH range of 1.5 to 1.6. This environment is best for the enzymes to work. The constituent food group of a balanced diet and example for their sources: group 1 protein, 2 starchy food, 3 fruits and vegetable, 4 milk and dairy food, 5 food and drink high in fat or sugar. Group 1 source of protein: meat, pork, beef, lamb, poultry, chicken, turkey, fish, salmon, mackerel, sardine, egg, nut, almond, walnut, basil, kidney beans, and chickpeas. Group 2 source: starchy food, bread, pasteurized tomato, potato, breakfast cereal. Group 3 cruciferous and brassica, apple, banana, pear, orange, melon, grapes, pineapple, broccoli, spinach, green beans, tomato, carrots, cucumber, sweet corn, cauliflower. Group 4 milk and dairy food, low-fat milk, yogurt, cheese. Group 5 foods and drink high in fat and sugar, cake, biscuits, conventional pastry, processed meat, pie, commercial products, sweetening, condensed milk, ice cream, salt, snacks, sugary drink, and cordial. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you.